Hello, and happy Computer Science Week. Thank you for participating in Hour of Code. In this experience, learners of all ages get an introduction to coding and computer science in a safe, supportive environment. This lesson works well for any students old enough to read, ages 6+. Younger learners will probably not finish the tutorial, but will still have lots of fun working through the puzzles for an hour. In this video, we'll walk you through the Minecraft Adventure tutorial, so you're ready to walk through this lesson with your students. Let's get started. You can find the Minecraft coding activity here at https://hourofcode.com/mchoc. Direct students to select Minecraft Adventurer. This activity works well on either a computer or a tablet. Your students will be excited to start playing, so it may be helpful to not instruct your students to open the activity until you're finished walking through it as a class. To start, you'll want to show your students the intro video. This video will be beneficial for both you and your students to view before beginning the activity, as it's a nice introduction to components and the concepts students will be learning. Once you have completed the video, we encourage walking through the first two levels together as a group to ensure learners are clear and understand the instructions. First, select your character. After you've made your selection, you're now in stage 1. It's important to remind your students to read the instructions at every stage and encourage using the light bulb to receive hints about the stage prior to asking for help. For stage 1, you'll need to add a second move forward block to reach the sheep. To do so, drag the move forward block into the workspace and attach it to the existing move forward block. At the top of the workspace, there's a fraction. It says 2 out of 3 blocks. This means you'll need 3 blocks to complete this activity. Once you've done that, click the reset button in the play space and click run to see if your character moved to the sheep. If successful, a screen will pop up congratulating you on your completion of the puzzle. Click the show code arrow to demonstrate the code you've written. Reaffirm with your students that by dragging and placing these blocks in this puzzle, you've created a set of instructions in a computer language called JavaScript. This code tells computers what to do and display on the screen. This will also help your students understand that the blocks they've used to move their character are actual lines of code. Continuing into stage 2, complete the level together as a class by reading the instructions and dragging the appropriate blocks. Each stage gets a little bit more challenging as your learner progresses into the Minecraft Adventure activity. Once completing the first 2 stages together, it's time for your learners to conquer code on their own. Encourage students to keep working through each level and not get discouraged. To help troubleshoot with your learner, we have provided an answer key to all levels and to help you navigate through each stage if they get stuck. We really hope your students enjoy coding as much as we do. Thank you again for your commitment to computer science.